try and use immediately, simple installation, and it can be used as soon as it is activated, without any delay. The stable internet connection in Copenhagen, Billund, and Frankfurt made this trip go smoothly. I'll definitely buy this product again on my next European trip. I signed up for mobile data when I was in Japan and turned it on when I arrived in Spain. It was easy to use and the speed was great. It worked perfectly in Iceland, and I recommend it. My initial concerns about signal issues in Europe were completely unfounded. It's ready to use right away, the internet speed is fast and relatively stable. I would choose it again next time. During my trip to Croatia, Plitvice Lakes, Dubrovnik, Slovenia, Budapest, Hungary, and Vienna, the 5G signal was excellent and the network was very stable. Highly recommended. There's not much to discuss, it's just convenient and easy to use. I highly recommend it. The signal is excellent even on the coast and in the mountains of southern France. There were no problems. This was good. Fast and convenient, the internet worked perfectly throughout my trip to Austria and the Czech Republic. I used it in 4 countries, Sweden, Belgium, Spain, and Portugal. The connection was smooth and seamless, and I almost forgot I was in another country. It was very convenient. No need to change the SIM card. It took a little time to get up and running, but 3 GB per day is enough. Convenient and fast, 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 convenient and fast. eSIM is really convenient, the speed is pretty good, and it can be used even when transiting through Turkey in Europe, which is very convenient. Highly recommended. In the same country or region, there are multiple network options to choose from, which reduces the possibility of no signal, and many of them are local strong networks. In the same country or region, there are multiple network options to choose from, which reduces the possibility of no signal, and many of them are local strong networks.